How to watch ESPN on Fire TV. Step number 1, connect your Fire TV to the internet. Ensure your Amazon Fire TV device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or wired internet connection. Step number 2, access the Amazon Appstore. From the Fire TV home screen, navigate to the Find or Search option. Step number 3, search for the ESPN app. Use the on-screen keyboard to type in ESPN. Locate the ESPN app in the search results. Step number 4, download and install the ESPN app. Select the ESPN app and click Download or Get to install it on your Fire TV. Wait for the installation to complete. Step number 5, open the ESPN app. Once installed, find the ESPN app on your home screen or in the Apps section. Open the app to proceed. Step number 6, log in or sign up. Log in with your existing ESPN account credentials. If you don't have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to create one. Step number 7, access ESPN content. Within the app, navigate to live events, shows, or other ESPN content to start streaming.